monthly Works Council. Questions from employees, comments from the union, preparation by HR,
and then the report that everyone should receive.
Let's have a look how you can easily manage this in Ishtar.365. Set up your portal to collect all communication in one central place. As HR manager or as an employee representative, post your questions and remarks on the portal. Only council members have access and can review the information before the meeting. Set up the monthly meeting to invite attendees. This will be automatically synchronized with their Outlook calendar. Add the group you want to reach for the meeting. After the meeting, upload the meeting notes. By adding the metadata, the notes will be published to the members of the council only. Now let's take a look from the perspective of a Works Council member. Get access to your specific documents without endless searching through your mailbox. Check out all the upcoming meetings in one view.